These words are all that's left. Though we've never met, my only son, I hope you know that I would have been there to watch you grow. But my call was heard, and I did go. Now, your mission lies ahead of you, as it did mine so long ago. To help the helpless ones who all look up to you, and to defend them to the end. Defender, ride like the wind, fight proud, my son. You're the defender God has sent. Ride like the wind, fight proud, my son. You're the defender God has sent.
Father, 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 I look up to you. I need thy call. This letter ends my search. I'll live your dream. Now pass on to me. And I now wait to shake the hand of fate, like the dusk awaiting dawn. So wizards, cast your spell with no heart to do me well. So it is written, it shall be. Yeah.
Defender,